today. Oh, good morning, everyone. It's Toca Boca here, and today my family and me will be doing a rainy morning routine. Also, Josh is still asleep, so we gotta stay still quiet. I'm gonna grab my water. And what should I wear today? What looks like a winter shirt? I don't really like the shoes. What the heck? Okay. I don't know if you guys saw that. I think I'm gonna just do this because it's nice, chill, and where did I put that back in there? It needs to go in there. Let me put this back. And what headband should I wear today? Guys, this is like my favorite headband in Toca Boca, and it matches like everything. So I'm gonna wear it again. And I'm just gonna put on my perfume. And I better wake up Josh. Josh, wake up! Oh, who said my name? What? Me, your wife. Oh, it's morning already. Yeah, and we're filming. What? We're filming? Hey, everyone. Hey, everyone. Better go get dressed. Yeah, I'm gonna go get out and wake up the kids, so yeah. Alright, everyone, so I better just come over here and look at what I'm gonna wear today. I do have two of these. This is one of my favorite outfits. I'm gonna wear this today. I haven't worn that in a while. Now let me put on my cologne. Now let me go join Lainey downstairs. Alright, so I think we're just gonna start off. Maybe we could start off with the triplets because Michaela hates being woken up early. Alright. Okay, so let's just go to pass around. Let's wake up. Oh my. Here, I'll wake Kate and Elliot up, and you wanna wake up Emma and Kate? Sure. Alright. Boys, time to wake up. We're filming a morning routine video. Morning routine video? I love morning routines. Yeah, me too. So you gotta get up. You too, Cade. I don't want to get up. I want to get up. Good boy. But don't treat me like a dog. Oh, sorry. Cade, get up. Fine. Oh my, why is this not? Okay, now, what do you guys, don't jump right now. So, what do you guys want to wear? Oops, this one. Oh, and don't forget your glasses. Aww. You guys look cute in them. What do you mean? Aww. Why don't you wear, maybe you could wear this today? Maybe you could wear this today? Okay, now you can jump now. Alright, now I need to go now your father is waking up your sister. Which one? Which one? Yeah, which one? I know there's a lot of girls in this family. You're triplet. You're triplet. Oh, Emma Kate? Yep. Okay. Come on, EK, wake up. What? We're doing a morning routine. It's time to wake up. Hi, Daddy. Good morning. Oh, hi. Hi. It's time to get up. We're doing a morning routine for the vlog. Oh, hey, viewers. Don't forget to check out my channel. You don't have a channel. When I'm older. Okay. Why is there slime on the rug? That wasn't me. That was Kate and Elliot. What? Why would you do that? It wasn't me. Here, I'll pick it up. No, you're making it worse. Ah! I can't get it. There, it's like poop. You need to pick that up right now. Sorry. Okay. There we go. Now put it back in the jar. Phew. There we go. Phew. Now, what do you want to wear today? Let's open up your drawer and see. Maybe I could wear this? No, it's not cold outside, it's hot. What is your brother's wearing? Why are you guys wearing that? Because Mommy said it was hot. Guys, oh my gosh, your mom was mistaken. You need to wear something that's not hot like that. No, guys, all your clothes are winter. What the heck? You know, just wear that, whatever, I don't care. I want to wear this. Okay, that's pretty. Put that with Kate and Elliot's. Okay, Mommy will be doing the laundry soon. You want to come down for breakfast? Yeah. Alright. Boys, time for breakfast. Well, not time for breakfast. Actually, you guys can just play. Here, why don't you come down and play, though? Or watch some shows. I cannot get you up, bro. Hey, honey. Hey, I'm just trying to wake up Michaela right now. Alright, we'll be downstairs for breakfast. Alright. Come on, Michaela, time to wake up. Oh, I don't want to wake up. But then you're gonna miss breakfast, and plus we're filming a vlog, filming like a video right now for the channel. What, we are? Wait, do I look chopped? No, you don't look chopped. How can I trust you? We're filming. I did not know that. I told you a million times. What should I wear today? I don't know. Mom, scoochie. Changing. Yeah, well, you kind of just like it. Anyways, let's go down before the... Oh, there it is. Alright, so let's go down to the first floor, and I'll start cooking our family some breakfast. Oh, also, guys, if you're wondering where Olivia is, I don't know where she went. She's at daycare. Alright, so it looks like the pancakes are just about done, and yeah, that is what we are going to be having. Let me ask Michaela to set the table. Michaela, time to come set the table. Okay, I'm coming. Thank you. Okay, so the table's a bit chaotic. Just better straighten this up a bit. Yeah, whatever. We don't need these things. Alright, guys. Did I just do the wrong thing? You know, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it all down for here. I'm just gonna do this, do that. He's there. Okay, so I just finished setting the table. And now I'm just gonna chill. Michaela, you forgot to put the water in the plate. Whatever, I'll do it. Okay. Alright, so pancake should be about ready. I'll be back when everyone is seated and we're about to have breakfast. Alright, so we're just gonna start eating right now. Alright, so whose turn is it to do the dishes? Or put them in the dishwasher? I think it's mine. Alright, I'm okay. Time to put the dishes. Alright, so just stack them up. And along with the water. Did you not drink your water? There, okay. Alright, and just stack the plates. Then put them in the dishwasher once you're done collecting them from the table. Okay. Mommy, you really need to do the dishwasher pretty soon. I know. I'm sorry. It's okay. Okay, so now I better get to doing some laundry, and you kids just have some fun, doing whatever. And Josh, you can do whatever, so I don't really care. So, oops. Alright, so let's see if Michaela has any laundry. Nope. Alright, so they share laundry, so they have some laundry. Alright, now let's go to the third floor. I know me and Josh have, crazy amounts of laundry, so let's go see how that looks. Alright, so let's just go over here. Oh my... Ugh, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. We better get to doing some of this laundry ASAP. I've never had so much laundry in my life. Let's go downstairs, and once I do the laundry, I think that'll be the end of today's roleplay. Alright, so I'm just gonna put everything in here. There's a lot of laundry, so any more? Nope. I'm just gonna put this probably right there. And I'm gonna put some of this Cleano in there and some of the soft dough to make it soft. Alright, now I'm just gonna start it. Alright, and that will be the end of today's roleplay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!